Hello everyone, welcome to hydrology. Today in this video we will solve one numerical problem related to precipitation. The given question is mean and standard deviation of annual rainfall estimated based on 7 stations in a catchment are 143 mm and 31.6 mm respectively. For 7% error in the estimation of mean rainfall, do we need additional rain gauge in the catchment? If yes, what are the minimum number of additional rain gauge required to be established in the watershed? Here the given data are mean equals 143 mm, standard deviation sigma is equal to 31.6 mm, error E equals 7%. Now let's find coefficient of variation CV is equal to sigma by P into 100% equals 31.6 is divided by 143 into 100%. It means 22.09%. Now let's find out the optimum number of station. N equals CV is divided by error percent E times of whole square is equals to 22.09 is divided by 7 whole square. On solving this we'll get the 9.95. This is nearly equals to 10 numbers. Here in our data the total number of station given are n equals 7. So number of additional station required equals capital N minus small n equals capital N means the calculated n, that is 10, and the small n means the given data is 7 equals 3 numbers. So the minimum number of additional rain gauge required to be established in the given watershed is 3 numbers. That is, we need 3 numbers of additional rain gauge station. So as per the given data, our required number is 3 numbers, and which is the final answer. So for this time we end up the video for this much. We'll come again with one new video. Till then, keep on watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.